Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is the soap mold that is produced in my company. I think most of you are already aware that we produce some soap equipment, even though we believe that we can produce more better equipment in the coming days. So this is just a starting point. We produce things like soap stamp, the soap shaper, and this is our soap mold. I'm trying to remove the package. So this is how we usually package it whenever we want to label it. So I want to open it and show you guys how it looks like. So this is how the mold is. And that's three of them. We have them in large quantity just in case you need a more larger production. We can we build them down to your location. So this is how it is. It has a divider inside. This divider has 18 compartments to help you produce 18 tablets of soap. So you can see how it is. This is very convenient. You can see I'm counting it. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So with this you can have 18 tablets of soap. This is the normal tablet soap in the market. The likes of the B29 soap, the WA soap, Nitol, all those laundry washing soap that are sold between the price of 150 and 200 naira. This is what this mold will produce for you. It doesn't produce big soap. It produces the normal standard laundry soap in the market. This is how this mold is customized to give you a good standard laundry soap. And it's not hard to remove your soap after it has dried. It's very easy. The way this mold is constructed, it makes the removing of the soap very easy. So this is a mold I would recommend those that are going into soap production and don't really have money to go for sophisticated equipment. I would recommend this mold for them. It's good, it's nice for commercial. One of these mold will give you 18 tablets of soap. Two of it will give you 36. So the larger or the more or quantity of this mold you have, the more quantity of tablet of soap you can produce. This mold just costs 6,500 naira only, and we distribute it all around Nigeria. Now, for those not staying in Uyo and Calabar, our mode of payment is payment before delivery. But those staying in Uyo and Calabar, we do payment on delivery. Reason because our offices is only in Uyo and Calabar currently, so we are able to open other offices all around Nigeria. So you can do well by placing your orders. We will be waiting for your calls and your WhatsApp messages. Goodbye and see you next time.